morning, y'all. I'm Jesus Martinez.
And I'm Dana Huey. Thanks so much for starting your morning with us. It is a weather impact alert day here at CBS 19. Rain and storms headed this way right now. We want to get over to Sarah, who's in the Weather Center, keeping a track on those line of storms and that tornado watch that you're keeping an eye out for.
Hey, good morning. Yes, we did have a tornado watch issued just a little bit before we came on air. That's for the counties highlighted in yellow. So the majority of us here in East Texas, Smith County, Cherokee County, all the way up toward the state line. That goes through 11 a.m. today. So make sure you are staying weather aware during that time. This does not include many of our deep East Texas counties, but we could see a watch issued there later today. And it's not just us. It extends all the way toward north and even towards central Texas. That's where we're seeing the bulk of the storms right now. Check out this hefty line that's moving through. Gusty winds in Fort Worth. I saw reports of wind gusts of 70 miles per hour. That's edging on hurricane status. So lots of gusty winds out there, lots of lightning, as well as lots of warnings and watches. It looks like severe thunderstorm warnings going up all through the Metroplex. A tornado warning, in fact, out, it looks like just to the south of Fort Worth, where you can see in that red box. Now, we do not have any of that here in East Texas. We are tracking just some pockets of rain, though. So we will get this line, though, beginning to push toward us through the rest of the day. Let me time everything out for you. So this line is continuing to push in. By the time we get to 5, maybe 6, we'll get some more thunderstorms going. The line, though, begins to press into East Texas closer to 6 or 7, and it's going to drop gusty winds and bring the potential for tornadoes. Make sure you are staying weather aware and keeping a close eye on the forecast. I'll have more details and tell you how you can prepare in just a few minutes.
All right, thanks so much, Sarah. As you head out this morning, here are a few safety reminders for driving in the rain this morning. First, never drive on a road that's covered with water. We always say stop, turn around, don't drown. Also, don't use cruise control. We know it can be easy to use, especially during traffic. Try to avoid that. And don't get into a hurry this morning on the way to work. Instead, take some time. Get some time this morning before those roads get extra slick out there. And remember to keep a nice distance between you and other cars. And it's always important to turn your headlights on.
Well, today, 4 families are without a place to stay.